So today's video is going to be a little bit different. Ideas to save more money in 2022. Now, I know the importance of money to relationships. Guys, you bear me witness. No money, no game. Yeah, so I've got some really solid ideas for you to do better in 2022. I'll be right back. Don't go anywhere. So a lot of us need money when it comes to everything. Money is one of the most important things that makes the world go round. If you want to have successful relationships, having money is a key ingredient. Now, oftentimes people cry for more money. If you ask me, however, I think that if immediately you do not have ways to generate more income, one way to make more money is to save, and that's why saving is important. Over the next couple of minutes, I'll share with you a few tips on how you can save more money in 2022, or whatever year you're really watching this, because it stays relevant way beyond this year. My name is Jessica. Don't forget, if you'd like to have a one-on-one chat with me any time of day, well, not any time of day, but you understand what I mean, you can go to my Patreon community, join the community as a VIP member, and I'll set up my next video chat with you live. And that will be at the bottom of your screens. Just click on the link in the video description as well, and it'll take you straight there. Okay, so ways to save money in 2022, ways to save more money in 2022. What do you have to do exactly? Now, number one, I believe that the strongest reason why people are not able to save as much money as they would like to is because they fail to plan, okay? Every single person needs a budget. Now, a budget is something that highlights your expenditure and your income, and gives you a true sense or a true picture of your finances. Now, listen to this. I do not go into a month without a budget. I have a budget for my utility bills, internet and data, fuel, entertainment, food, you name it. I've got a comprehensive budget that tells me exactly what I'm going to be spending in a month, and therefore also lets me know how much money I'll have left over once I am done at the end of the month. This helps me to plan and save ahead of time as soon as my income hits my bank account. If you pick up this habit as well, you will be in a much better place in 2022. Ensure that you always have some kind of a budget going into the month. And usually, once you create the budget once, it's easier to sort of manipulate as the months wear on in the year. Second thing you need to do if you're going to be able to save more money in 2022 is to get out of debt quickly. There are too many of us who actually have too many people. I don't know what your debt situation is, but maybe you have a car loan, maybe you have a house loan, maybe you just borrowed money from a friend when you were in a tight corner. Typically, if you're going to be able to get anything significant flowing through your accounts, it will mean that you need to get out of debt. Make sure you're done paying everybody such that all the income that you make actually stays in your pocket, okay? And then, of course, if you have more income coming in because you owe nobody, you can save some as well. Number three, now, if you're going to be able to save more money in 2022, then it means that you need to actively pursue finding a side hustle. And it doesn't matter what it is, okay? It just needs to be something that's bringing you a little more income than you currently get. Now, get this. Some of the richest people in the world have at least 5 streams of income. Ask yourself a question at this point in time. How many streams of income do you have? Now, if you're not sure, or maybe if you have none, that's a cue for you to start doing stuff that will bring you income. And listen, we're in a technological world. There's so many things that you can do. There's so many people looking for your kind of skill. And so don't sit at home and fold your arms and say, hey, there's nothing happening here. I don't know what to do. No one wants to employ me. If they don't want to employ you, create a business. You understand? So go out there and find yourself a side hustle. Don't rely on your sole source of income. Now, another way to hack this life is to make sure that you sell all unused items. Now, get this, a lot of us have things just sitting around the house, something we bought that has turned into a complete white elephant. What is that thing for you? Is it a treadmill that's just sitting there? Is it some old boots? Is it a pair of clothing that, for instance, didn't fit at the time and you decided, hey, let me put it down. I'm going to lose weight to wear it. I mean, what is that thing? If you have anything that's unused, it's so easy to sell them nowadays. Put them online, someone might like it and pick it up, and that's extra cash for you. Another thing you want to do is to think before you splurge. Now, this is how I typically work. If the money I earn every month from my investments cannot pay for the new item I want to buy, I say to myself that you can't afford it, Jess. And I think it's a really healthy habit to have, because at the end of the day, it means that if you're going to buy something, it's only the money you're making for free, or the passive income that you're making is what you're going to spend to buy that new item. So guess what? Your principal money is still there. You haven't spent it. You've just waited for your investments to mature to a level where you actually get them. It's a good habit to have. Try it out in 2022. It works for me. I'm sure it can work for you. Another quick tip will be to change where you buy your groceries. Now, I don't know where you purchase your groceries from. Maybe you decide to go to maybe a supermarket as opposed to some open air place that would be a little cheaper. If you're spending too much, then maybe it's time to change where you shop. You can save a lot of money in a year by just changing and tweaking something as little as that. Last but one, really, what is the use of trying to save more money in 2022 if you don't have a savings account? I don't know how many bank accounts you have. Maybe you should dedicate one of them to just money that you save. So every month when your income hits your account, you can even have a standing order with your bank where your bank automatically sends money into that account. So say you earn, say, $1,000 a month or $500 a month. You have designated $50 every month to go into that account, and it's money that you cannot touch at any point in time. It's too cold. And my last tip for today will be to try to fix things for yourself. You know, lots of us just have, I don't know, we pamper ourselves a bit too much. You know, it's like you've got something that can be fixed around the house, DIY, but you'd rather just pay someone else to do it. You'd be surprised just how much money you're spending on, you know, these people who come in and out of your house for something you could even just, a simple video you could actually just get on YouTube and be good to go. So learn something. Learn how to do stuff yourself, and you should be fine. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like it, don't forget to smash the like button. Don't forget to subscribe. And please, by all means, turn on all notifications so you get a notification every single time I post. My name is Jessica. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. Where is that darn plane?